Good day and welcome to this online interview. I am Dr. Antonio S. Macabari, the principal of Berawan National High School. May I know your full name and position you're applying for? Good day, sir. I am Andy Lawrence P. Golani, a fresh graduate from Samar State University, batch 2028, and newly licensed teacher. I am applying for the secondary science teacher position at your school. Oh, thank you, Mr. Golani. I appreciate your interest in joining our school. Can you tell me why you choose to apply here? So I have always admired Berawan National High School for its commitment to quality education and student development. As a passionate science teacher, I believe my skills and knowledge align with your school missions, and I would love the opportunity to contribute to your learning community. That's great to hear. Since you're a fresh graduate, what teaching strategies do you plan to use to engage students in science subjects? So I believe, sir, that learning should be interactive and student-centered. I plan to use hands-on experiments, technology-integrated lessons, and inquiry-based learning to make science more engaging, encouraging students to explore, ask questions, and apply concepts to real-life situations is key to deepening their understanding. That's a good approach. Classroom management is also important. How would you handle a class with students who are not paying attention? I would first identify the reason behind their lack of engagement. If students are distracted, I will engaging activities to capture their interest. I will also establish clear rules and expectations at the beginning of the school year to maintain discipline. If needed, I will address the issue privately with the students to understand their concerns and find the solution. You have shared some great insights. Before we end, do you have any questions for me? Yes, sir. I'd like to ask about the professional development programs your school offers for new teachers. Okay, that's a good question, Mr. Golani. We provide mentorship programs, training workshops, and regular seminars to help our teachers grow professionally. If you're selected, you'll have opportunities to enhance your teaching skills through these programs. That's wonderful. Thank you for your time, sir. I really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Golani. We will review your application and contact you soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day. You too, sir. Thank you again.